Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss the mind map for chapter Light for class 7. As we know, the definition of light, that light is a form of energy which produces in us the sensation of vision. So first of all, we will start up with light. In this chapter, we have discussed three phenomena related to light. That is reflection, refraction, little bit about lenses, and then dispersion, right? So first of all, we are going for reflection. So reflection was nothing, it was the bouncing back of light after striking a reflecting surface. That was reflection. That is bouncing of light. That was reflection, right? So from where the reflection can occur? Reflection can occur through So if I talk about from where the reflection can occur, that is mirror. That are mirrors. And mirrors can be plain like a smooth or highly polished reflecting surface. That are smooth or highly reflecting polished surface, right? If we talk about from mirror, if the reflection takes place through the mirror, then what happens? The mirror forms images, right? When the rays of light strikes the mirror, then the mirror forms the images. Now these images that we have discussed are of two types. One is real and another is virtual. So children, real and virtual images. So what are real images? Real images are can be taken on screen, right? And they are always inverted. That is about real images. If we talk about virtual images, that is can't be taken on screen and erect. Inverted means upside down, right? And erect means straight, as we are standing in front of the mirror. That is always virtual image. Clear? Okay. Now on the other side, I told you about mirrors. That is smooth or highly polished. In smooth or highly polished mirror, the mirrors can be of two types that we are going to discuss now. So if I take it from right? Mirror. There is types of mirror. So mirrors are of two types. One is spherical, right? And another is plane, right? So mirrors are of two types, plane. So now the plane mirror forms the image which is having some characteristics like it's virtual, erect, same size, right? Generally, we are discussing the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. Then same distance, and it will be laterally inverted. These are the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. Right? Now, if we come back to this point, that is spherical mirrors. In case of spherical mirrors, we are having two types, right? So in spherical mirrors, which are curved inwards. On the other side, we have curved outwards. I hope you remember this. Curved inward and curved outwards. So curved inward means that is concave, right? Like this. Or you can draw like this. Outside is polished. So curved inward, that is concave. If we talk about that curved outward, that is convex. Inside is polished. Like this, right? Concave and convex. Now, same way, the characteristics of the images formed by concave mirror. Concave mirror can form real image and virtual image, right? That is real and inverted. It can form, and virtual and erect. It can form, right? On the other side, if I talk about convex, it always forms virtual and erect image. That is formed by convex mirror. Clear? So this is all about reflection, dear children. I hope this mind map will be very helpful for you all for revision. Now let's go back to the another phenomena that is related to light. If we talk about that is dispersion. So when does it occur? When passing through a prism. When the light passes through a prism, then dispersion takes place. And what is the result, or what is the example of dispersion? Very simple, that is rainbow. Right? We have discussed about Newton disk in this chapter. So that is rainbow. Now just information about another phenomena, that is refraction. When does it occur? When rays bend and change their direction and change direction. This is a new phenomenon that you will study in class 10th. Very common example, if you will keep a pencil inside a glass of water, full of water, then you will observe there is a bending of light. You will be able to see the pencil is not straight, it's just bending. Why? Because of refraction, right? And it occurs through lenses. Refraction takes place in lenses, and lenses we have already discussed. Their types are concave and convex. Concave lens and convex lens. So concave lens and convex lens so concave lens always form, I can draw the structure here for you. That is concave lens and this is convex lens. So it forms virtual and erect image. Here the concave lens forms a virtual and erect image and diminished. Diminished means always small size. Right? If I talk about convex, convex mirror can form real and virtual images both. Right? Real and virtual. Smaller and larger also. Size may be smaller and larger. On the other side, if I talk about the uses of concave lens, that are the uses. Uses for concave lens, that is used in spectacles and telescopes. Right? On the other side, if we see the uses of convex lens, convex lens can be used in magnifying glass, and microscope. So dear children, this is all about this chapter what you have done, right? Very simple chapter, very important chapter, light. Class 7, class 8, then class 10, then class 12 physics. So you will study this chapter. But the difference will be that the base will be same. Basics will be this only, but you will read in the explanatory form. More deeper and deeper towards the light. Right? Thank you so much.